Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Crying with the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. Now this is a flipbook that I made for a swap I'm in. It is, let's see, I just used a sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock. I cut it at 6 inches and then I scored it at 5.5 inches, and then I gave 5.5 inches, then it was 6 inches, then it was 11 inches, and then 11.5 inches. So, and then I attached another sheet that was 6 by 5.5 scored onto the side. Basically, the idea was to give myself a 1/2 inch gusset. So you can decide how you want to cut your paper, but it's a pretty simple construction. It's just using cardstock. That's pretty much it. And one 12 by 12 paper kit. In this case from Echo Park, I think it's called Splash. An older kit that I'd gotten from Tuesday morning. And for the most part, that's all I used. I used a couple other little bits and pieces, which I'll let you know, but the papers and the stickers are all from there. So let's go ahead. And the spine I just covered with pattern paper. Here is my cover. This was the sticker. And then you open it up. And what I did here is I made a simple envelope. And instead of actually making an envelope, I just lined the paper. And then I took another sheet of paper that was roughly the same size. And then I just cut a triangle out of it. And then attached the 3 sides. So it's kind of like a faux pocket, if you will. And then I just went ahead and used the stickers to decorate. And then in here, I used, stickers to decorate my little packet here. And in here are a couple of stamped images and then some die cuts. And so I've got die cuts from a couple of things. I used the Julie Nutting Sea Life. I also used some Echo Park dies that I had. The summer die, the sun, and the wave all came from Echo Park. I think they're really cute. So little goodies in there. And then on this side, all I did was attach, this is like an acetate tag. And then I just put a couple of flowers that you could unstick and use that I thought kind of went with the collection. And you open up this way. This side right here, I just made a simple pocket and used a sticker to decorate the front. And then in here, I can show you guys because they're not. I made some cute, simple little bag toppers just using the paper and the sticker sheet. And I go back in here. And then, oops, I don't think I want it the other way. I stick them in the cute way. But yeah, and then I just decorated the top with the topper and a cute sticker. The wrong way. Give that an idea there. And it just fits right in there. I think it's really cute. And so moving right along to this side. So what I did here is I had these envelopes in my stash. They're kind of like they're see-through. And I just decorated it with some stickers from the sticker sheets. And then in here, I just have a shaker that the person could open up and use the little shaker bits if they wanted to, or they could just put that on something or use it as a journal card. And then here I made a tag. So here's my tag, and I used Julie Nutting's Besties stamp set and die. It's super cute. So I went ahead and basically my tag is kind of paper piece because I made this tag near the end of my project, and so I used bits and pieces of the paper that I had left and the stickers I had left and that sort of thing. But and also even for the paper piecing of the mermaid was like little bits and pieces and scraps that I had. I think it's really cute. So there's my tag. And then that just fits right here. And so you open it up. So what I did was I actually added a flap to mine. And so this side of the flap, it's just like a simple layout. And then here, I made a pocket that was a top loading pocket. So when you pull this out, you get these really simple circle embellishments just using my scallop circle die, my favorite La La Land little heart circle die, and then stickers from the sticker sheet. And then I just stapled a fun piece of paper on top and used a sticker as a topper. Here, I'll put that in there at the end. And then this side, it's just some of the cut aparts. I went ahead and put in a little packet that I sealed up. And this is one of those paper sheets where the cut aparts are actually that front cover that tells you what everything looks like inside the paper. They actually use the back side for cut aparts, which is what I used here. I made a little belly band on a little journal spot. And then here I made a fold out. So it goes this way, and you've got that. And then it goes that way. And you have that. And then that's my project. I think it came out really, really cute. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.